Teacher Patrons! Good morning. Oh, Mom, I really wasn't ready for the paparazzi shit. There's a tail. There's a wiggle tail. Come on. Okay, honey. Here we go. High-tech doggy door. So after I finish dry brushing, I think I'm gonna ride my bike to the beach. My legs are really sore from leg day yesterday. I have been mildly obsessed with oral hygiene recently. Notice any difference? Do they look whiter? I got this all-natural tooth whitening thing off of Amazon. Pretty impressed with it so far. You're supposed to use it for 30 days. If it ends up working without like dissolving my teeth away into little stubs, I'll let you guys know about it at the end of the 30 days. How does that sound? Oh yeah. Oh, right around the ribs. I gotta get focused. Oh, fuck yeah. Are you confused about what I'm doing, Buttons? Headed to my favorite place. Actually, I think my favorite place is in my house. Oh. But this is my favorite if I have to leave the house place. And I have 40 ounces of water and I think about 8 apple bananas in my bag. And that should get me through the morning until I get home and maybe have a smoothie or something. My tender little feetsies. Dude, I try to come here on different days all the time. Always with the fucking weed whackers. And don't get me wrong, I appreciate that it's a well-maintained park. But you come here in the morning, it's the weed whackers. Then all the loud kids show up. Then all the people smoking weed show up with their freaking little like portable speakers. Since when is silence something to be avoided? Well, the weed whacker stopped for a minute. And there it goes. Oh yeah, Mauna Kea is out. He's beautiful. See, I have to make the choice between looking like a complete cretin or staring into the sun while I film. Lighting problems. I had a swim. It was beautiful. It was cold. Because let us remember that these are the ice ponds where excessively cold fresh water billows out of these areas and then mixes with the warmer seawater. So it is quite chilly. Now I'm going to chill at the beach for a while I work on my recipe ebook. Yes, it's happening. Please expect it sometime within the next decade. No release date yet. I'm gonna eat some bananas, drink some water, and get to work. I guess the fishies like the banana. I'm back home. It's just before noon. Bananas, strawberries, turmeric, a little splash of leftover vitamin oral green that I had had for breakfast, and a touch of flax seeds. I ended up getting a little bit overly hungry before I got home. Apparently my 9 bananas were not enough. Made the bike ride kind of hard. Went to work, came home. I'm now having some leftover gluten-free vegan pesto low-fat pasta and some water. And this was full when I started it, but it's not full anymore, unfortunately.
What was that last one? Do your finishing move.
That one? Made sushi, white rice, some tofu, veggies. And then this is caramelized onions, carrots, bok choy, red cabbage, and it has a low sodium sweet chili sauce mixed with just a splash of Bragg's. Quite nice, isn't it?
Oh, that's really good. Oh,
Little
that's
sesame
sweet and
seeds.
spicy.
Yeah, little sesame seeds and green onion on top.
Charcoal, yeah, I love sweet, spicy stuff. Yeah.
And then the sushi is salty. Oh, like so much different kinds of flavors right now. There's like sweet, there's salty,
Hey,
there's spicy, there's fresh, there's crunchy. Oh, there's a tofu. And you got all this stuff inside this sushi.
hey,
Oh, and you got sauce on the bottom. Do you have a fork? I can't use this thing.
you can't use chopsticks?
I can use chopsticks, but not fast enough.
I gotta whiten my teeth, y'all. Your charcoal.
Oh yeah, automatic, but I gotta make my lunch first.
Yeah, so this is whitening my teeth. Clean ass teeth right there. You wanna show them your chompers?
Mine?
Yeah.
I didn't even brush my teeth yet.
This stuff is amazing. It said it takes 30 days to work. I know, I saw it the same day too. This is incredible. Do you think putting this on YouTube is going too far?
Yeah, that's gross.
Well, I'm reading. I'm almost done with my book. It's pretty good.
What book is that? The protein one?
No, paleo fantasy.
Yeah. Oh fuck! I didn't. A math game, dude.
I know, you're so good at those.
Wait, you gotta make my muscles look big.
Jesus Christ.
Good night. Hey, stop it. Good night.
Okay, good night. Unfortunately.